to another video, everybody. I did get something very exciting today that I've been looking for ages, and that I was actually piecing these together bit by bit, but then ended up finding a full set. So I just picked up a full set of standard VN executive molds, as my car has the chrome Calais ones on it, which I don't like. So I actually already had these and all 4 doors, and was just piecing together the rest, but someone messaged me saying they had a full set, so I went and grabbed them. So now I have some spares. They're in really good condition actually, except for these stupid rubbers that are always gone on these ones on the bottom of the rear quarter window. So I'm pretty pumped to put these on. But if anyone can tell me, because you guys are gonna know more about this stuff than me, I'm new to this VN world. So these are the Calais ones that are already on it. From what I can tell, this is a one-piece rubber thing that is part of the window. So does that mean if I want to go to exec molds, I need to put another window in it and then the molds? Because it looks like this is part of the glass. So if anyone's done, you know, Calais molds to exec or vice versa, tell me how you've done it. Because I don't want to start doing it and then realize I need to pull the glass out and then be stuck with a car with no quarter windows in it. Anyway, we're going to move on to a video I've wanted to do for a long time with my girlfriend. So let's get the old ball and chain and get her to drive this thing. Did you notice there's no back seat?
What is the back seat?
It's still getting fixed.
Oh.
That piece. Anyway, so you have never been in this car, period,
No.
correct? Have you even sat in this car?
No.
Let alone go in it driving?
You are going to drive this car?
Alright. Do you think it's louder than the XE? It's louder. Alright, so in previous videos, like with my XE Falcon, you drove it, correct? You drove it manual, you drove it auto, you drove the Evo.
Yeah.
And the best thing about these videos of you driving the cars is that everyone laughs because you have zero interest or knowledge about cars. That's why it's funny. Do you even know what this car is?
No, I don't.
Really though?
No.
Being serious. You know it's a VN.
Seriously, I don't know.
But you know it's a VN, yes?
No.
But what's a VN? Who makes this car? What car company? Like, you know, there's Nissan, Mazda, Ford, all that shit. So who makes this car?
I don't have an idea.
Yes, you do. Come on. Australian company. Which one? So you see, legit, this is not
Wait.
we did not pre-discuss this. You legit have no fucking idea who makes this car. No?
Ford?
No, it's not a Ford. It's a Ford VN Commodore. Oh my god, this is too good.
So which one is?
Holden!
Holden.
Jeez!
Yeah.
Okay.
I remember.
Alright. And she's gonna drive this car today too, so we'll see how this goes.
Very cool. Like to smack me.
You kill me. This intersection, we're gonna be sitting here for 2 years at least trying to get out of this intersection. Came the stupidest way. Do you think this is faster than the XE? Or about the same? Do you remember?
Same, no? Which one is faster? This is faster?
They're about the same, I reckon. I reckon the XE and this car would have been a good race. Cop car. I reckon this is pretty on par with it. I reckon that would be a very, very close race.
I think so.
This makes less power, but I reckon this car is lighter. So we'll go to the same spot we where you drove the XE, remember? And the belt came off and we had to walk and go find it.
Yes, I remember.
It sometimes has a problem with stalling. You know what that means? Where it goes blah, 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 and then turns off. If that happens, just put it into park, stop, put it into park, and start it again, and then drive off. Okay?
I'm going to drive by myself.
Yeah, you're going by yourself. Yeah.
Wait, again, explain.
Put it into park and start it, and then
Okay.
put it in drive and drive off.
Okay.
Alright, all yours. Feel free to talk to the camera if you want. Actually, you have to. You need to talk to the camera. You ready?
Yeah.
Light 'em up! What? It's no different to any other car. Just put it in D, the blue one,
Yeah, but
and the handbrake down and drive.
so this is automatic.
Yeah, it's auto.
So it should be easy to drive.
Yeah. Hang on. Wait for this car to go. Sorry about the wind, guys. It is crazy windy here next to the freeway.
To be honest, I'm so scared driving his cars because I know how much he loves those cars.
So proud. Hey, slow down. That's easier to drive
Yeah.
than what, the XE?
That's it.
Alright, go take me for a drive.
Okay.
Hey, let me put my seatbelt on. Yeesh.
It's your problem.
Look, all the boys are looking at you.
Yeah, I know. When I was going by myself, they were like looking at me.
Because this is not the sort of car everyone sees a girl driving around in.
What
Put your foot
about
down. Okay, slow down.
I was just saying, what happened if something happened to the car?
Yeah, shit happens. Hey. No donuts. Hey! So give me your impressions of the VN. Do you like this car better than the XE?
Driving, yeah, it's better.
Do you think this car looks better?
Yeah, it looks better.
Really? The XE looks way better than this car.
Um,
VNs are very boring to look at. They're very bland.
okay.
But this is normal. Like, I'm hopefully not going to get pulled over or anything like that. So, where the XE I thought was a bit of a cop magnet.
Maybe because the engine.
Yeah, because the air filter at the bonnet and the big like wheels and loud and
But this one
yeah,
is
but this
loud,
car you
no?
don't look at on the street. It's just a white Commodore. That, you know, the red stripe down the side, and people look at it. This, you just drive past and no one even looks. It's a good thing.
But would you prefer the XE back or
I'd love to have the XE, but the XE bought me 2 other cars. So let me know in the comments if next video we should teach my girlfriend how to do a burnout. Yeah?
I can't do it.
Well, you drive around in circles. circles like you were going to do one in that court.
No, I can't.
I will tell you, it's very easy.
Oh my god, I will be scared. You should be scared.
Come on, finish the video.